Hello traders and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily TF Russell 2000 futures review. My name is Martin Rimes. Today's date is Monday, December 9, 2013. Hey, check out hitthemarktrading.com. Learn how we trade trend and momentum, all right? While you're there, go to the contacts page, sign up for weekly blog updates. Sign up for Rooster Call. Rooster Call is a morning email that I send out to clients. Let me get that slide. Basically, I look at the news wires, the overnight action, look at the charts, and write a very brief email setting us up for the day's trading. I send it to clients, and I'd like to send it to you for free. Everything I mention in this video recording is for your educational purposes only. Okay, here we are, Daily Russell 2000. I don't think we should be surprised with what happened. I mean, we had this event move on Friday. Today, a no never mind day, right? So very miserable trading here for the Russell 2000. Part of this is because it's Monday. Part of it's because the market is trying to say, well, wait a minute. We had this action. What is going to be this reaction to the action? You got to understand that when you see this type of activity, and you see that there are, tons of traders out there trading, large hands trading, institutions trading, and the market goes nowhere, some would say, well, the market's evenly balanced between bulls and bears. I say they don't know what to do. Too scared to buy, too scared to sell. Okay, bottom line, technical analysis says we are in an uptrend. All right, and this is measuring the trend. We expect to go higher. Weekly chart is telling us to go higher. Now here's our indicator. I'm going to draw a little line here, and if we see this red line here broken to the downside, let's see that 20 CCI goes down through here, well then that tells me we're going to have another test of this moving average. Okay, see if I can move this over. Come on, thank you. Now seasonally we are in the upswing for stocks, and the so-called Santa Claus rally tends to kick in that week of December 15. So can we drop further and then pop higher? Absolutely. Stocks typically go up 71% of the time in December. That means, of course, 29% they fall. But the odds are on for higher. Okay? All right. So beyond that, let me look at the weekly briefly. Weekly chart, an ascending wedge. All right? If we start moving down, we'll watch this over here where if the 20 crosses the 100, we'll watch that. But we'll probably just test this line right here. If we break through, my goodness, it's the big move to the moving average. Let's look at the day trading. I use a 10 range bar chart. And okay, the market opened up, and up they take it. All of a sudden, 10 o'clock, screeching halt, drops it down, come back up, main floor pivot, and then we just kind of grind in this choppy area. So kind of a lackluster day. If you didn't miss the morning, if you didn't get the morning move, oh, you just probably were just kicking yourself. Okay. What is this over here? We started moving up in the afternoon. Now this is what? 3:37 in the afternoon. Moving up. You know what that tells you, right? Large hands entered. They want to take this higher the following day. All right. Now, we have floor pivots. So, we will go to R1. If we move to the upside, we will go to S1 if we move to the downside. Let's draw some lines on price. Okay. Good. Nice little wedge. Hello, wedge. We're going to have a breakout. Definitely going to have a breakout. Weekly and daily charts say we're going to go higher. So that means if you see price come down and then you get a signal to go long, you've got to understand that that means intraday is catching the wave from the daily and weekly chart. Okay? Very good. If we have a retest of recent highs, then that means we'll probably go all the way up here. Okay? So we got this window area right around R1. Okay? Very good. Market's all consumed about possible taper, and it's going to be trading, as it has been, nervously up a wall of worry. It's going to take some type of a negative event to cause a down move. That's why Thursday is so important, the retail sales. Very, very, very important. It's the only real data point that they can sink their teeth in between now and Thursday. Pleasure talking with you. Please check out Hit the Mark.